Som händer alltså. Vad gör hon för någonting? Såg att hon började bromsa också när jag tutade?
What I'm not here to discussing your faith or whatever, but I mean what they go through it. So nobody know their pain. Nobody know what they're going through. So basically, I had a wife that was very famous, very wealthy.
Yeah.
She left everything just to become my wife and become a...
Ja. Nej, men han sjunger.
Oj, kolla.
Imse vimse.
När han hamnat fel håll alltså. Ser du?
Ja.
Han hamnat fel håll liksom. Han har kört in i släpet och så har de bara snurrat runt.
Order, especially after the McGregor, because they let's face it, they let him go too far, and now they're trying to reel it back in.
Yeah, reel it back in, and I mean, from the for the LFA, which is somewhat of a feeder league to the UFC, these guys are nervous. They're biting their nails, and I'm like, what's going on? They're like, well, after this fight,
we've been focused on a really good schedule that just seems to be clicking with him. He's always gets better anyway. We're having these 3 intense days, and him together 3 days for strength conditioning, his jiu-jitsu and wrestling. It seems to have worked out better this way.
Så höger här också. Jag kör 35 i 60 väg bara för att du är du.
Så blinkar han vänster också.
Ja, det
ska du gud.
Oj. Kolla, han bara störtar in den där.
Oj. Så kan du inte göra gubben.
Det var bara byta en fil i mitt i.
Det var ju gubbens fel.
Ja, men den där var ju snygg. Jävligt snygg.
without running from cops and switching up spots.
Det är mitt i vintern liksom. Ja. Jävla idioter alltså. Vi är snart framme. Vi är snart framme. Men alltså, skämtar du eller?
Catching up with one Demetrius Johnson. Henry Krause will stop by at 3:25. Looking forward to talking to him. First time that he's on the program. He has turned his life around, his career around since joining the MMA lab in Arizona. Big win over Aaron Pico on Saturday. We'll talk to Darren Till at 3:05. He headlines the UFC's return to London, England on March 16th.
And Rob, I told that he has a Tyson Ranch, you know, the weed company.
Oh, that's your T-shirt.
Yeah,
you're wearing a Tyson Ranch right there.
Yes. Here.
Issues, if you will. Tomorrow's a very big day in Nevada, January 29th. We will hopefully find out the fate of one Conor McGregor and Khabib Nurmagomedov. We may also find out the fate of all of their buddies that were involved in that melee in Las Vegas. Max and I in this case. That was good stuff. Don't tell me you would want to see that fight. I want to see the Cerrone fight too. I said I wanted to see it last week. And as of last week, what I was hearing was that Cerrone was atop the leaderboard. I don't know if this changes things. Yeah, sure. You know, Conor gets to decide which direction. For the most part, he has earned that. And I think that Cerrone is a good style matchup for him to try to get back on track. It's a fighter who's going to stand toe-to-toe with him. A little bit older right now. Yes, I know he looked good in his last fight. But, you know, it's a good matchup. It's not a wrestler. It's someone who is going to, I think, present a favorable style, a favorable matchup right now for Conor to try to get back on.